Kaffir leaf, just a couple of pieces. And some coconut milk. So gonna be very yummy curry drumstick with the egg. Hey everyone, Help Chef here. Today I'm going to be making red curry chicken. So I want to share the recipe with you. Everything made from scratch. So I got a couple of lemongrass from my garden. So it's very fresh ingredient. So here are all the ingredients. So add some oil. So this time we use chicken drumstick. So we now can add the curry paste in. So add some water. Add some more. So now add the boiled egg. And also add the Kaffir leaf. Just a couple of pieces. And some coconut milk. So gonna be very yummy curry drumstick with the egg. So nice smell. So let the keep going cook. Importing with a small fire. So keep going cook. Probably 1 hour to cook the chicken. Longer cook, the chicken more flavor inside. So chicken nice tender. So the chicken basically cook. So now we add a lime zest. So it's really freshness. So before serve, try chicken. Very yummy curry chicken. You should try. So let me know if anything, what your thoughts. Put your comment below. Very yummy chicken.